So here is our over-the-door laundry organizer. I really like this organizer because it keeps essential items on the back of the door. I don't have to find an extra place for them to live in my laundry room. This is a silver stainless steel version. It has some hangers down here. It does rub if you're not careful. One way you could prevent that for sure is by putting maybe some felt pads on the back of this right here, and that would prevent any rub marks on the door. So I would recommend doing that if you don't want rub marks. What I love about this laundry organizer is that it has this cutout right here, so your iron handle can go here easily, and it stores a lot. So let me show you what it looks like when it has all of the tools in it. Okay, and here's what it looks like. It holds my iron, my starch, and my steamer. Like I said, it keeps these objects organized and in a nice spot where they can be found super easily. It just hangs over the back of the door. I have no problems opening or closing the door, and it has been a really nifty laundry organizer.